This is a working mega truck in Lumber Tycoon 2 that lets you carry more logs and earn money as quickly as possible. So without any more yapping, let's get into how you can get one for yourself. You'll need those items and car spawners. First, place down 2 large floors around your truck spawner and add 1 more on each side. Then place large floors, 1 stud out, like so, same on the other side, and add a large tile on both sides. Then add 3 tiny tiles on the front. Then place down your trailer spawners aligned with the tiny floors, using the guiding blueprints as a support. Then finally place a button on the truck spawner, and connect it to the trailer spawners with wires. After pressing the button you will spawn the mega truck, and while you will most likely not be able to drive it, all you have to do is to reload your slot, and then you can finally drive your own mega truck. This one is extremely blah blah blah, how boring, you already showed me how to build the truck anyway, so I guess let's make this the first 1-minute tutorial in Lumber Tycoon 2 history. And just before you click off, please consider subscribing because I must take over Lumber Tycoon 2, thanks.
Yo, what is happening? My name is Happenin. 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 Yo, what is happening? My name is Happenin.